Hey YouTube, this is California Guy 88. Just came back from T-Mobile and I just got the new HTC HD2. It's a new smartphone using Windows Mobile. So here we go. It's a nice box. There it is. The phone itself feels nice and heavy. Nice, well built. But before we get to that, let's see what else comes inside. Here's a SIM card, the manual, the start guide, as well as start visiting. So Windows Mobile software and other stuff. Got the travel charger right here, the USB cable, the headphones, and a US plug adapter for the travel charger, so it could work for the wall in the car, as well as rather stylish and textured skin. Okay, I'm gonna play with this phone for a little bit, check it out, check out all the features to it, and see what it's capable of doing, and then I'll do a video review of it. Thank you.